Good morning, maayong adlaw. Today, I want to remind us of 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7. Cast all your cares upon him because he cares for us. We should know that the enemy always tries to shift our focus back to ourselves. He whispers, "What are you going to do? What if things get worse?" But God is saying, "Bring it to me." Usahay lisod gyud i-let go, labi na kung ang concern nato kay atong anak, pamilya, health, or finances. We think ang atong pag-worry means we care more. But faith means trusting that God cares even more than we do. Today, let's be specific. Let's tell God exactly what we are surrendering. We can even write it down and say, "Lord, today, I place these in your hands." And when the enemy reminds us of that problem again, we simply say, "It's no longer in my hands. It's in God's hands." Remember, surrender is not giving up. It's giving God room to work. Ayaw tuguti nga ang kaaway mo'y mo pindot sa atong buttons. Keep our eyes on Jesus, because what is in His hands is always in the safest place. I hope you're blessed too. God bless us all. Good morning, maayong adlaw. Today,